All right, so the other thing we got is the in-vehicle trailering app. We introduced some of this in model year 19 light-duty truck. And the idea here is you have multiple trailers, so the truck's going to remember 5 trailer profiles. So if you happen to have a cargo trailer and your boat trailer and an RV, we're going to remember various status and information on each one of those trailers. The system will detect the trailer when you connect it, and then from that point, it'll say, hey, is this your enclosed trailer or your horse trailer? You activate the trailer, and once you have a trailer activated, we run through various things. So fuel economy while towing this trailer. We're doing diagnostics on light circuits. So you're going to hear Tim Herrick talk about, this is one of the marriage saver functions. So you don't need somebody sitting in that seat pushing the brake pedal, doing the turn signal, and somebody back there, making sure all the lights work. You hit the button there, walk to the back, make sure all the lights are working. We also put that into my Chevrolet app, so I can do it from the phone as well. So you don't even need to be in the truck to start it. We do trailer status. Specifically, this is mileage on the trailer, and mileage is important because we track maintenance minders. So we can do a reminder for checking brakes in X miles. So while that trailer's connected to this truck, we're tracking miles. The other thing we're doing in model year 20 is we're providing the ability to sync this to your phone, and also I can share profiles. So if you wanted to borrow his trailer and you had a GM account, he could share his profile with you, and you put 1,000 miles on his trailer, it'll get synced back to his account, and we'll still be able to track those maintenance reminders. From a confidence building perspective, for people, even if you tow all the time, just to, peace of mind, make sure you got everything checked. So we've got a in-vehicle and on the phone checklist. Run through various steps of setting up the trailer and make sure the lights work. The other cool thing about this is I can add a checklist item. So if it's my boat, make sure I grab the cooler and the rods, things like that. As far as settings, the one I want to draw attention to is the theft alert. So this is a cool feature. Truck's off. You're driving down south or whatever, and you're in a hotel for the night with your trailer. Truck's off, car alarm set. Somebody unplugs the trailer trying to take it. Truck alarm's gonna go off, so you get the horns and the lights, and then through OnStar Safety Security, you'll get your phone buzz saying, "Hey, there's an event happening on the truck. Go out and check the truck." We do tow haul reminder, so if tow haul's off, we know the trailer's connected. Tow haul's off, we'll pop up and say, "Hey, you might want to make sure that tow haul's turned on while you're towing." So that's basically the app in a nutshell. The other status we do have working in the app is cameras. So we run through, if the camera's not connected, we'll tell you it's not connected, and then if you wanted to, you could do a preview of that view right from the trailer app as well. The other way to get into is straight up from the camera into the camera app. So that's the trailer app. The other thing we're doing on the phone, starting model year 20s, you can do the whole profile create process right from your phone. You finish that up, get back in the truck, turn it on, it'll show up in here, right in your list here. So, like I said, so this is our side tow mirror view that biases based on trailer angle. So as he comes through the slalom course here, we'll show the view shifting. Helps you take the corners. 15 views, 8 cameras between the truck and trailer. So you got 6 on the truck and 2 on the trailer. Between this screen and the full display mirror is where all the views will show up. So for this maneuver, we're going to go out here and we're going to do a full 360 around these cones to see how close you can get the tires to the cones. Basically using the camera views and your mirrors to make that turn. And if you do clobber them, it's okay.
A little bit of this jet.
Straighten it out a little bit.
Okay. Oh boy, yeah.
It's okay.
I'm gonna clobber them on. All right.
That's all right. Go ahead and cut it. Yeah, just run them over. So you can do 2 accessory cameras on the trailer. I'm showing you one, and I'll show you another one in a second.
I feel like I'm losing this again.
Okay. Well, if you want to drive forward, I can show you a couple other things. Go ahead and drive forward to that stop sign. So, a couple of things with this. This will flip. So there's transparent trailer. So this is the view through the trailer using that same camera, nice and stitched. Obvious situational awareness as you're driving. And then So if you're driving and you had a sudden panic stop, you couldn't tell what's going on, and you got precious cargo in your trailer, right? So we got that solved for you too. So we have an inside trailer view.
Okay, that's the other accessory.
Yep. So that's the other accessory camera. So you can.
Hauling a Corvette.
Yeah, we're hauling a Corvette.
There you go, man.
So, camera mounted inside the trailer, hardwired to the truck. Camera mounted on the back of the trailer, hardwired to the truck. Makes up parts of all the views that you can get on the truck. We do one more maneuver right now. So if we pull forward and try to get the front of the truck as close as you can to those cones.
Okay.
Obviously, being how this truck's sitting and how you're looking out that windshield, if I gave you that view, forward-looking camera, get you right up on there. And then I'm going to run through the rest of the view. So this is forward-looking, rearward-looking. On the side, we have the top-down surround view. We have a front overhead, or that's rear overhead, and then front overhead. This one we call bull view. So it's kind of looking back at the truck so you can see around the truck. So this is your same side mirror cameras looking forward. So these are actually the front tires. So if you turn the tires, you actually see them. Kind of a parking against a curb type thing. This one, so this is rear trailer camera. We talked about that. This is a picture-in-picture. So you have the two side mirrors, side mirror view, and then the rear trailer view all in one. That's transparent trailer. This is cargo bed view. So if the truck was actually in park, you hit that view, and the cargo bed lights would actually turn on. This is Hitch View. This is a cool view because if you shift to park in this view, the parking brake sets automatically. So if you're doing a hitching maneuver, you get everything lined up, shift to park brake sets, you don't have the truck rock. You get that nice alignment, and we talked about this one already as well. So those are all the class leading views. If you want to back up, and then we can pull forward again, and if you want to try using it. So we're in the new 2020 Chevy Silverado heavy duty truck.
All right, do I have my brake?
Go ahead, go and roll. It'll go off automatically.
Okay.
As soon as you roll, there you go.
All right. And what size engine?
6.6 diesel.
And it's paired up then with.
It's a 25-foot trailer, about 6,000 pounds.
Mm-hmm. And then the transmission.
It's your Allison.
And that's the new 10-speed.
Yep.
Okay.
So go ahead and straighten it out.
Okay.
And then stop here. And just like he did, you want to try that backup maneuver and try to get back close to that pin back there, that stop sign.
Okay.
Go ahead.
What do you think?
So you got the side mirror view,
Mm-hmm.
and I would flip to the rear trailer view once you get closer. Once you feel like you're close
how do
enough.
we switch to the rear trailer view?
That first button is a tri-state
Let me do
button.
a practice then.
Oh, wrong one. Second. Yep. First button. Yep. Just like
Okay.
that.
All
Hit it one
right.
more time.
Goes back.
Hit it one more time.
Okay.
Or you could leave that combo view up too. That's your other option.
Okay. All right.
It's up to you. Whatever you.
There. All right. So I'm about ready to switch.
So you hit that first button there.
Ooh, we got a ways to
And
go.
you thought you were closer, eh?
I know, right? All right.
There you go.
All right. Pretty good. All
Yeah.
right.
And we can flip over to transparent trailer.
Mhm.
Nope. That's because you came out of a.
That is neat.
Yeah.
You can get used to that.
Oh, absolutely. That
So-
and you'll have a chance to, like I said, you'll have a chance to use that.
Yeah, that is really neat. I'm really impressed by that. So keep on going through.
Yeah, you can cut through and then right where we started.
Okay, nobody else then has got that
Nope,
technology.
we're exclusive right now.
Yeah,
Yeah, and industry first on
Yeah.
that one.
that is something you get used to real quick.
So that's the other thing it does. I don't know if you noticed. So you're seeing down more of the left side right now, and it's based on trailer angle as well. So when you straighten out, we bring transparent trailer back.
Yes, I saw that.
So once you get out of 6 degrees, we flip it.
Okay,
for
so
you.
it's at 6 degrees.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yep.
Now, is that something that you can adjust, or is that this factory set 6?
That's how we designed it. Yep, we designed it as 6.